Hello everyone, my name is Han Xiang and this is the question 7 in the homework 9 in the probability and stochastic process course. And in this question we want to show that the random telephone signal is a strict sense stationary process. And at first we want to know the random telegraph signal property, and for let's set random telephone signal is yt, and set the probability of a is equals to -1 and a is equals to 1. The probability of this is 1/2, and the yt is equals to a times the xt, and the xt is a random variable and with independent with a, and xt is independent, so the yt is the random telephone signal. Let's say this question, we want to prove that the random telephone signal is the SSS process, and for SS process, it's the time shift. It's not influence on the property of the signal, so we could set that the property of ytn is equals to 1 because of there is two property, one of -1, and ytn -1 is equals to 1, and blah 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 blah, the yt1 is equals to 1. We want to know the probability of this because there are the many conditions when we want to know the probability of tn. So it is equals to the probability of 1tn in the condition of the ytn -1 and blah blah blah, the yt is equals to yt1 is equals to 1, and times the probability of this part. It is a full probability function. So we could write this as this form, and then we could it is also because of the xt is a random variable and independent, and the a is independent, so it is equals to the probability of y minus tn equals to 1 in the condition of ytn -1 equals to 1 blah 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 times yt1 equals to 1 times the probability of ytn sorry, and we not use the independent property this part, and we could transform this as also use the full probability function as the follow, and we transform this part as t-2 is equals to 1 blah 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 yt1 is equal to 1, and times the next part probability, and so on. And we could because of the property this independent, so the yt are also independent, so the probability it is equals to the probability of ytn ytn is equals to 1, and times the probability of ytn -1 equals to 1, and times the probability of ytn -2 equals to 1, and times the probability times blah 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 the probability of yt1 equals to 1, and it is independent of tn for any n. and it is no influence of the Tn when the T shift, so the random telegraph signal is strict sense stationary process. That's all. Thank you.